Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to access the one website in Google Chrome web browser, and it shows internet server error HTTP error 500. There was an error processing your request. Please try again later. So now one more time I try to reload this web page. But my bad luck, again it shows that same error message. So how to fix this issue? So before going to our tutorial, first of all, why this issue occurs? And this is occurs for three possible reasons. And the first one of the reason is if maybe that website server is down or under maintenance. And the second one of the reason is due to your browser caches. And the third one of the reason is maybe that website link is broken. So first of all check it if maybe this website server is down or not. So by using this down detector website you can easily find out the server down status. So if it is works normal, just open your Google Chrome browser and then tap this vertical three dots icon and go to settings. So here I try to access privacy and security and click to disable this option. Always use secure connections. So next you can click to open clear browsing data and select this advanced tab and make sure if you select these following options or not, and finally click to clear data. So after you done these processes and then open your Chrome as incognito mode. And one more time you can try to access that previously problem occurred website. So I hope this method will work for 100%. So friends, if you have any doubts just comment to me. So otherwise just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechOns, and thanks for watching.